Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making Nigerian recipe jollof rice. Tomato one small size, red capsicum half, onion half medium size one. Make fine paste. In a pan, oil 4 tablespoons. Chopped onion half. Fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add tomato paste 1 tablespoon. Capsicum, tomato and onion paste. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon. Lime half tablespoon. Ginger powder half tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Curry powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now add soaked rice 1 cup. Water 1:2 ratio. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.